Hello friends. So in this video we are going to upgrade our domain controller from Windows Server 2016 to Windows Server 2022. So here you can see currently we have two domain controllers DC01. DC01 is holding my all the FSMO role. Here we will verify which server is holding FSMO role. So with help of netdom query FSMO, we can get a FSMO holder role server. So this is my primary domain controller. This is additional domain controller, and we have prepared three new server for upgrade Windows Server 2016 to 2022. So first we will prepare this server as a additional domain controller, and once our domain service role installation done, after that we will try to decommission this DC2, and after that we will transfer FSMO role from DC01 to newly 2022 domain controller. So let's start. First I am going to install domain services role on a new server. So here you can see with help of add role and feature we will install a DC role. Sorry, this server name is DC1. Now feature installation is done, and we will try to promote this server to a domain controller. Here you can see our domain is Vivs-ServerWorld.com. Here we will define a recovery password. Now all the prerequisite has been completed. So we will click on install. Now it's trying to upgrading forest and domain. So currently, yeah, object replication completed. Here my domain role installation done and this server is going to reboot. Yeah, now server reboot done. I'm increasing font size. So here you can see my 2022 domain controller host name is Vivs DC01. So first we will try to update DNS. I am able to see my all the objects. I am running repadmin sync call for complete replication. Now replication done. Now I am transferring role from my uh, 2016 PDC server to this domain controller. So here you can see current operation master holder is Vivs DC01. So I am changing it. Yes. So now I have transferred operation master role from old to new DC. I have also transferred PDC role. Now I am transferring infrastructure role. So I have transferred all the three roles. Now two role is pending. So click on operation master role. So here you can see currently operation master role is my 2016 DC. So I'm transferring it on a new. Okay. After that we will transfer a schema master role. Then we will transfer schema master. So before transferring schema master, we have to run this reg svr32 yes schema mgmt.dll for registering schema. So here you can see DLL registration server in schema management.dll succeeded. After that we will open MMC and we will click on file, add remove snap in. After that here we will select Active Directory schema. Now here it's showing my 2016 PDC uh, domain controller is holding schema master. So first we will try to change domain controller where we are going to transfer a schema master. So here you can see we have newly prepared this Vivs-DC01 on 2022 server. So we will select this. After that we will click on reload schema. Now we will click on operations master. Currently it's yeah, here you can see. Now current schema master is online, and we are going to transfer schema role from this to this. Click on change. Here it's asking, are you sure you want to change the operation master? Yes. So here you can see operation master successfully transferred. So click on refresh, reload schema. Yeah. Now here you can see current schema master is Vivs DC01. Now after transferring schema, we will run replication. Yeah, now I have forcefully ran uh, sync all command for complete synchronization to all domain controller. Now our next step would be we will try to decommission old Windows Server 2016 domain controller. So here you can see before performing this activity we were validated which server is holding FSMO role. So here you can see it's showing old domain controller entry here. What we will do, we will run cpadmin sync all synchronization done, and we will verify who is FSMO holder role. So here you can see now it's started showing Vivs DC01 is PDC. So now we are good to decommission this old domain controller. What we will do, simply go to server manager, manage, remove roles and features. Next, next, Active Directory domain services, remove. Click on demote this domain controller. Click next, proceed with removal. Now here we will type password. Click on demote. Now this server is successfully demoted from our network. Now after reboot, this server is no longer work as a domain controller. Even if you will check this server in Active Directory users and computer console, Here you can see in Active Directory users and computer, this DC1 is not showing in domain controller show you. Here you can see after removing it's automatically moved in computer show you, and this server is only a member of domain controller and it will not act as a domain controller. So now our next step, we will change this old domain controller IP. So I am changing this TCP from 11 to 15. Now question is why I have changed this old DCIP. So reason behind this, maximum clients are using this domain controller IP as DNS. So what we will do, we will assign this 11 IP to our newly promoted domain controller where we have transferred all the FSMR roles. So what we will do, first we will go to old DC and we will run ipconfig register DNS for updating this computer new IP. Now we will update, not update, we will assign old PDC domain controller IP to this domain controller. So here we will assign it 11. Now we have successfully assigned old DC IP. So now if any system is using this DC IP as a DNS, then they will not face any issue in uh, system login or application login. Now we will perform on next step. We will open a command prompt, run as administrator. And we will run register DNS. We will perform net to query. Here I am able to find the server is summer. Now we will run ns lookup. Yeah, here it's resolving a 13 IP. Then our next step would be we will go to server manager, open a DNS. Here this is already updated. Here we will remove this IP. Okay, here we will validate. Now we will clear a cache file. We will update a server data file. Now here you can see we have removed dot 13 old IP, and here we will verify old DC entry. Yeah, all entry is already, all stealth entry already removed. Now we are good. So in this lesson you learned how we will upgrade uh, Windows Server 2016 to Windows Server 2022, and after upgrading how we will perform uh, decommission activity, and after performing a decommission activity why you will change old domain controller IP and assign that old domain controller IP to a new domain controller. So thanks for watching, friends.